You're now watching rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute crap.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday. If you're here with me in the YouTube Discord, Kick or X chat, go ahead, say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Or this afternoon, I guess. We got bottle caps going all over the place. Look at how wide these spreads are pre-FOMC, huh? Some wide-ass spreads here. My goodness. Watch for this 300 break. 300 break, coming on down. Coming on down. It's a 300 break. It's a 300 break. Let's see. Right now, at that 310 level, getting a little saucy. Give me that little 300 break. Just that little, give me the juicy J. What do you think? Bouncing at 300s here. Huh? 310s are an interesting level, right? We've had that drawn there for a hot minute. Right now, just holding up at 300. Finally got 53 points in 30 seconds. Nice, AB. AB? ABZ for Sheezy? Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. It's a beautiful thing. Watch for that little 300 snapper dinger here. Just watch for that little and a 66.20 is a line in the sand to the downside. You thought the picture on IG was AI, huh? Well, I'm sorry to disappoint, it was not. No IG pictures are AI. It's all real, baby. A lot of people trying to hold up here at 300 and 305. Couple players. There's 16 lots, 11 lots, 2 lots, 5 lots, 7 lots. We should see this just slam right on through here. To be honest, should see a little bit of a small little through these 302s and 300s here. As long as it breaks down that 22, we got piano music. Here we go. 620 is a line in the sand to the downside here in the S&Ps, but it's pushing on it, and we should see this 302 and 300 level give up in the NASDAQ here. We should see that almost immediately here. Pushing. Is testing that 300. No icebergs there. Through 300 now. See if we get a little bit of a connection. One hell of a bounce there at 295.
285 might be a little bit hard to fill on, given that they scared the price back up at that 296. We're back at 66.20 here in the S&Ps. There is liquidity at 66.15 that I think does want to get filled there, but I mean, shoot, anything can happen, really. Literally anything. It's pushing down to that 66.18 again. Starting to do a little bit of a roll here. Back at 303. Sellers look a little bit exhausted down here at 66.18. Slightly exhausted. See if they can swipe this liquidity at 302. Just needs one little push. There's some players stacking like singles here too. It is FOMC week as well, keep that in mind. So there might be a little bit of slowness in a lot of these moves. See if they want to take out this player at 302. It's right there at 303. Let's see if we can get some decent music going here. Can't do it, can we? There we go. There we go. I got the fill I was looking for there. Down there at the bottom, just below 302. Cool. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, they're just being a little knuckleheaded, I think. Tried to get filled at 295, had to move up my order a little bit. Dum, 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 dum. So this week, we have a lot of challenges in terms of price action. FOMC on Wednesday, contract roll this week. The contract expires on the 20th. That is March already, folks, if you didn't know. It is March. So the contract for March is going to expire. This is the H contract. We go to the M contract after this. Ripsy reversal, you're kidding me. No way. Dude, how does it... I mean, seriously, how does this happen every single time? Is that for real? Is that for real every single time? Feels like that happens every single time. Thinkorswim is already on the M contract. Remember, it's HMUZ. H-M-U-Z. H is the beginning of the year. M is the second part. U and then Z. HMUZ. So this contract will be expiring on March 20th, which is Friday. It's likely that we will roll probably Tuesday. Drop a WL mid. How you guys feeling today? WL or mid? WL or mid? How we all doing? WL or mid? There's nothing in Bookmap to show bottom. It just shows how lucky he is from getting his ace handed to him. Let me ask you this. What is it? Still 374. Let me ask you this. Whoops. Not that. So, I guess I'm like the luckiest trader alive, right? Because, Do you see any red days still? Hold on, do you see any red days? Wait, hold up. Sil, are you still here, buddy, or did you leave already? Because, I think I just dropped my dick on your face, and I gave you like a mushroom stamp on your forehead. How's my dick taste? Can you answer that for me? How's my dick taste? How's it taste there, buddy? I must be the luckiest trader alive or something. Damn, they went silent real fast. Woo-wee! They went silent real fast. They got nothing to say anymore. My goodness, all that yapping, and now they go quiet. Oh, I wonder why. Damn. I was looking forward to your follow-up there, pal. What happened, dog? What happened? Where'd you go? Damn. Anyway. I think we found the one person who tried to copy my trades one time, and I probably had a losing trade, and now they hate me for the rest of their life. Ugh. Oh. Gotta learn to trade for yourself, my friend. Oh, Scott Martin, thank you for the 10 months. What was the emoji we wanted Scott to make? What was it? What was the emoji that we wanted Scott to make? It wasn't my dick resting in Sill's mouth. That's not what it was. You guys are wrong on that one. Good comms, that's what it was. Good comms. That's what it was. Good comms. Mushroom stamp emoji. I don't want Sill's mom getting jealous about that one. We're gonna leave that one alone. Eight months. Sinu, let's go, baby. This is a crazy, crazy opening right now. This is a crazy, crazy opening. A lot of movement, man. A lot of movement. It's a very jazzy open, I will say that. What are you guys all trading on right now? This is gonna be a great week for us because we got our Lucid funded accounts. What are we at now on those things? $2,900 in profits. So what do I have to make now? $4,500. That's $2,907. I gotta make $1,500 more to get my fourth payout. Yeah, the spread is insane because this is contract roll week and the FOMC. It's a nasty little cocktail. Sorry, everybody saw it Sill because I said little cock. Sorry about that. Don't want we all thinking about Sill again. Cash got up 62,000 this month. Let's go, baby. Lucid Eval, 4 Apex. Are you on the new ones, Victor? Are we on the new Apex? What are we trading over there? Nice. Let's go, baby. Give it up for Victor. 1,200 away from the payout. Yeah, I got myself a 20-pack on Tradeovate. Let's hope that Tradeovate doesn't have any issues. I'd be afraid to trade Tradeovate in this wide of a spread. They're gonna give you the worst fills. Anybody trading? Look at these spreads, man. Is anybody trading Tradeovate right now? These spreads look like a nightmare unless you're using limit orders. Apex left a dirty taste in my mouth years ago. I'm afraid to try them again. There's way too much FUD out there about Apex, my man. Every single person that I've been seeing on the new Apex has had a real treat of a time. You trade debate, it's too much, yeah. I'm not gonna touch it. I got my Alpha Futures accounts. I got 3 funded accounts. Remember we passed those last Thursday? Friday? Saturday? I don't know. Whatever day we passed those. So I got 3 of those bad doggers. Those have a shit ton of drawdown. What else? Oh, TPT, if they ever want to fucking email me, let me log into my TPT account. Let me see if I can activate those yet. There's no way I've activated more than 10 accounts in 30 days. I just don't believe that. Maybe I'll reach out to my rep over at TPT. Roadrunner's got tops up activated, tops up eval. Let's go. Good luck to you. March or June contract? Right now we're on the March. We're gonna rotate to the June probably Tuesday morning. You'll know because of the price. All right, you'll know. Apex approved my payouts to new accounts in 2 minutes. Let's go, Brian. How was my weekend? It was great. It was fantastic. It was fantastic. I had a great weekend. Yeah, I can't... Dude, my TPT, I don't have a way to activate. Fuck. I want to trade my TPT. It's okay. We got Lucid funded. We got Alpha Futures funded. And then Apex will try to pass. How many people have passed an Apex 150K? And how long did it take you? I'm curious. How long did it take you and how much? Yeah. 150K, how long did it take you? Do I go for 1 day pass? Me personally, I mean... I was like $1,500 away from my last batch of 20 and I fucking blew it. It's like 100 more in price at the rollover NQ. Yeah, exactly. There you go. 4 days to pass your eval. For the 150K cast? Damn. Caltani's working to finish a 150K on top of his night. Good luck to you. 9 days. See, 9 days I could get behind. That seems fine. 9 days, that seems fine. I'm just so bummed in myself. I was $1,500 away from passing, and then I just let it get away from me. I forget what happened. I think I took one bad trade, and I was like, fuck that. I'm going for more. You were scared to trade? Well, I don't know if scared is the right word. It just seems like you were cautiously trading it, and passing in 4 days is great. 4 days? Cube Q, 2 weeks, 8 trading days. Okay. I mean, that all seems fine. 1 day trading 5 cons at the open was one of the clean sell. We all go on monkey tail. I certainly did. I was 1,500 away from passing. I just didn't see doing anything right from that point. I was just gone. Leaving Arya now. Sorry I missed you. Whoopsie. I totally was not looking at my Instagram. Where are you? Sorry, bud. Just seeing this now. Sorry, man. I spent my day relaxing at home with my wife. Next time, dude. Next time. Hurry up and move the market. I ain't trading my Percy anymore. I'm good. We're good there. Alpha Futures. Is Alpha Futures 25% off? That's what you're supposed to do on Sundays? Well, get back here on a regular day. Get back here on a Friday or a Saturday, man. Oh, fuck. I forgot. Somebody owes me some right now, actually. Yeah, I got so many fucking unread messages. God, I don't even want to go through these. This is way too many. Good lord. I'm just gonna do this later. There's no point looking through all that. 10 days to pass a 150K, 10-day funded, still in buffer, 2K profit. Let's go, baby. Spent my day shoveling snow. What? Is there no consistency on TBT? You can take payouts day one, baby. The most you can make in a single TPT account in a single day is $10,000. In the eval, there's a 50% consistency. In the funded, there is no consistency. Have you done any trades yet? Yes. Right there, $768, copied across 5 accounts, so we'll call it less than 4 grand, slightly under 4 grand. We did that trade for Sil, by the way, or whatever the fuck that guy's name is. C-I-L, Sil. The fuck kind of name is Sil? He's a window part. How was your weekend? It was good. I'm exhausted. I'm tired, man. I was out late last night. I think I got into bed at like 2 o'clock in the morning, which is very rare for me because I wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning. So we went and we saw Illenium for the second time this week, and it was incredible. So good. But I'm tired. Norman says no snow in the Caribbean. What part of the Caribbean you in, brother? Bro, that's honestly like one of the best shows I've ever been to. That Illenium show. It's so good. Second time was even better. It's fucking unbelievable. Steaks were good. Yeah, we went to Carbone Riviera. It was amazing. Went with some friends. It was amazing. Got a lobster pasta, spicy rig, ribeye, some great sorbets. It was excellent. Tobago. There you go. Nice. How do you like the Sphere? So that's the third time we've been. We went to the Backstreet Boys and then Illenium twice. And I mean, so we went to Illenium on Thursday and then we went again last night. So if I'm going 2 days apart, it's probably pretty good, right? Did you get full off the portion size? I mean, we were there with 4 people. Well, 4 of us in total, so. I mean, I don't know if we finished everything. We had a great meal, though. It was very good. Very, very good. It might be, Bull. Yes, it might be. Yeah, Metallica is going to be there. Tool is going to be there. No doubt. Who else? Who else is going to be there that I'm looking forward to? Maybe it's Kenny Chesney or something. Yeah, this is choppy, and it's not only choppy, but it's wide, too. These spreads are crazy wide. Not great. I mean, look. Let's get in here nice and tightly. Look at that spread. 30 1/4 by 32 3/4. Okay. Now 33 by 30 1/4. Okay. Sure thing, pal. I can't even imagine trading this on TradeAvate. This would be a fucking nightmare. Would love to see Tool. Yeah, me too, man. What's his name? Dana Carey? Dana, who's the guy? Tool. Dana Carey, right? Danny Carey, not Dana. Danny Carey. Why did I say Dana Carey? I'm thinking of Dana Carvey. Danny Carey. There we go. He's fucking insane, dude. He's one of my... I'm a drummer, so I like drummers. Dana Carey. He's so sick, bro. He's like... If you know Tool and you know drumming, fuck. He's incredible. He's so good. Yeah, I'm definitely going to go see Tool. When are they playing? Let me see. Tool at the Sphere. 2027, so next year. Damn, dude. I'm going to go to that a bunch. Yeah, like, dude, talented isn't even the right word. He's a musical genius for sure. Like, I can't even drum those parts. It's fucking insane. I mean, I probably could with enough practice, but you put me there right now for $1 billion, I can drum 95% of the songs. I listen to all different genres. There's really not a genre I don't listen to. I'm trying to think. I pretty much listen to every single genre of music. Exchange 2026 Expo this week. Are you participating? I don't even know what that is. So the answer is probably no. Let me see. Exchange 2026 Expo. What is this? Where is this? K-pop? I guess I mean, I don't mind that song. We're going up, up, up. Whatever that song is. I don't mind that song. I don't like listen to it though, but I don't mind it. It's in Vegas? Exchange 2026 Expo Vegas. What is this? Huh. What is it for? Speakers. Let's see. The spreads on NQ are unusually wide. Why is that? FOMC week and roll week. Let me load the other contracts up. Let's see. Get the rhythmic going. NQ M6. NQ M6. Let's see. This is going to be M6 right here. Spreads are still wide in the M6 contract, but it's going to load the history here. There you go. This is what the M contract looks like. It's actually quite a bit better, isn't it? Let's see. 55 by 58. I mean, it's 3 points. It's about the same. I'll just leave it up there for now. For continuity's sake, we'll leave on the H contract for now. Your buddy was the drummer for Sirens and Sailors. Right on, man. What kind of kit did he play? Do you know? MCL looks okay spreads wise. Let's see. What's the contract for CL right now? What are we on? J6, right? Spreads are fine. It's loading the history right now. I thought for some reason somebody said oil was trading up at like 103 or something. I mean, 102.50, pretty close. Okay, I wasn't crazy then. We had a spike. Damn, somebody got ran pretty freaking hard back here. Look at those, the spreads before the market opened. That's crazy. Sometimes your beard just smells like honey mustard. My beard is missing. It's impossible for this thing to smell like honey mustard because it's not here anymore. You know, shit about drums, but live, it's so good. Nice. Bookmap scrolls based on time, not ticker or sales, right? I don't understand the question. I scroll it. I move it in and out, right? So, oh, you're saying like automatically moves? Yeah. It's just moves with time. So like if there's no price action, it'll just keep moving at this pace. I can make it even faster if I want. That's the fastest I can make it go. But you see it's at the millisecond level. So I can pause in this area and then dissect what happened at the millisecond level. How wide are those monitors? Let me go ahead and post that on Instagram for you. Instagram.com/ripstrades. And we can talk about it once I post it. It's going up on my story. Thanks for asking. I like posting this picture. So, if you go on my Instagram story, the top monitor is a 49-inch Samsung. Below that is a 57-inch Samsung. To the left-hand side is a 34-inch Dell monitor. And I'm powering this all with an Origin PC, custom build, 5090, RTX 5090. I have heard that there's a 6000 out now. I think it's a Quattro RTX 6000. Yeah, it's like 10 grand or something. Yeah. I don't think I would have any sort of benefit from that. I got 96 gigs of RAM. I don't think I'd have any benefit from having a 6000 for Bookmap. I feel like I'm fine. You guys are funny, dude. You scale in, right, Rip? That's your jam? Yeah, scaling in is my jam, for sure. 100%. Oh, good. AMP restored their margins. Thank goodness. Creepy says, switching to TPT, honestly, yes, the intraday trailing and buffer phase is tough at the start, but once that drawdown locks, it's a completely different game. It's like trading your own personal account. Truly. The fact that you have access to that cash, almost immediately. I mean, I remember the CEO of TPT talking about that you could pay yourself multiple times in a day, but I don't know how that's possible. Somebody want to help me on that one? Because he made it sound like the dashboard updates instantly, and then you can take a withdrawal, keep trading, take a withdrawal, keep trading, take a withdrawal. That's what they made it sound like. SG Trading says, Ripsy, I always blow my funded account after I take it out to dinner. Do you think I have an issue? No, I think you're being polite. I think that should be the standard. Oh, sorry, I misread that. I always blow my fund account after the first payout. Sorry, after the first payout. Okay, any advice? I totally misread that. I think you ought to slow down. I think you ought to slow down. That's it. Just slow down. Why not use trade days? Similar payout policy, but no trailing drawdown. I mean, I tried one account and I took one single trade on it and I blew the account and that was that. So, I don't know. I haven't really had any experience with them. This is gold. Somebody's asked about gold. There's gold. I mean, NASDAQ's lighting up like a Christmas tree in July. Look at this. How do you feel about my funded futures? Not good. Do not like them. Never will use them. Do not like them. No, sir. Not for me. How was Carbone? It was, as it always is, a beautiful, beautiful place. We're right there on the water. In the beautiful Vegas heat, 80-something degrees. It was perfect. Just gorgeous. Best account you can get your hands on is Off Pro. Off Pro. I like On Pro personally. What is the situation with the Iran war? Any developments over the weekend? Nothing that you haven't seen already on X. Netanyahu was rumored to be dead and then came out with a video today where he's still rumored to be dead. This is the H contract. H as in H. And we are pushing right now. We are squeezing all of these shorts. Unruly shorts right now. But we have not swept the GLOBEX highs yet. Well, the GLOBEX highs are up above 400. Hey Rips, when requesting the payout on Apex, do I have to request in a bank account that is where I live, or can I request in Revolut or Wise? That would be a question for your support. I get paid via... I'd gotten one payout from Apex. I think I got paid via ACH. Pretty sure. So I don't know the answer to that question. H contract is as in H-Hermemorids. Yes. The new firm coming out daily now. I don't know about daily. I get offers in my inbox daily to promote other firms, but I like who I'm promoting right now. Everything sort of makes sense. And I have seen really good experiences from everybody that's in our community. That's you guys that have been using everything that's scrolling on the bottom of my screen. TPT, Lucid, Apex, Tradeify. Those four are my top 4 firms. Those are the 4 that I can stand behind and recommend. Open your prop firm. I'm good. I'm good. No prop firm for me. Still in 2 macros, got a 25-point green stop. Let's go, baby. Very nice, J Chill. Top Step, very good. I just don't promote them here because I don't get paid. You know what I mean? There's no, what am I going to do? Top Step 0% off? There's no affiliate program for Top Step. I guess I could scroll that at the bottom here. Top Step 0% off. There you go. Top Step 0% off. Sign up now. But I get offers from every single firm. These are the firms that I work with, that I represent, that if you use my code, I get a little bonus back from that, as we all know. But I can work with any of these firms that I want to. These are the ones that I like the most. These ones. Oh, we get the clown music. Perfect. Can't wait. Let's try. Let's try this. A little bit better there. Think about Phidias. They've been asking me to work with them for a while. I haven't traded on them. I don't have enough bandwidth to trade that many accounts. Like right now, think about what I have on my table. I got Alpha Futures, which I'm funded in. Keep in mind, like, look, Alpha Futures isn't scrolling down there. I work with them, but I haven't taken a payout from Alpha Futures before. So until I go through that process, they're not going to be down here in my coveted spot. We are still squeezing. We just ripped over the highs now. Anybody long in this? My God. Wow. So we have Alpha Futures funded. We have Lucid funded, which is right here. We have Apex 20 end of day PA accounts. And then TPT, I want to get my pro accounts whenever the fuck I can get those. I'm going to call my rep tomorrow if I don't have them show up tomorrow or tonight. And then what's the other one? Oh, Tradeify. I could have started trading them last week, but Tradeify, we should be good to go, baby. M says, why does your chart look like that? Look like what? Like a chart? Is there news driving the market? There is not. I mean, there was some news that came out like 20 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, but this is a squeeze, my friend. This is just a squeeze. No news. No news is driving this move. Ba-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. What's the firm you requested the most with? This year, I would say Lucid. I think Lucid or Tradeify this year. I think it would go Lucid, Tradeify, then TPT. And I think that's it. 3 firms this month, or this year. I think that's it. Apex, we haven't gotten a payout with this year, last year, year before. That's hoping to change this year. What level indicator is this? I'm glad you asked. This is Rip's Key Levels, baby. It's free. It is free. Anything you see to stop the squeeze up to 450? I mean, it could abruptly stop. I would say there's likelihood that we're going to run into traffic where we are now, 435 and 445. But it is squeezing right now. I want to long it, but these spreads are just like not it, dude. These spreads are fucking crazy, brother. Like that right there. That is just crazy, dude. Look at that. Look at that print. It prints 49 quarters, and then it prints 45 and 43. That's insane, guys. That's really wild. Like this is crazy. So wide. Why do you find the Rips indicator? Nightbot hooked you up with a link. How important is news to you? Extremely important. Tried adding Rips Key Levels and trade. Yeah, there's no trade C. It doesn't. They don't have it for trade C. The beef farmer says, of course it's squeezing. I got 50 points ago. Rest in pieces, baby. Rest in pieces. I'm sorry. What did you take with my Apex payout? 20K. Back in 2023. 20,000. What's up, BC Drums? Post your Bookmap link? Sure, it's right there. Kickbot posted it. Got that long at 420 out at 445. Nice trading, man. Yeah, this is just too dangerous for me up here. I mean, if I put on a trade and I lost, I'd feel like an idiot. I mean, if you got in like right here anticipating the squeeze and you're still riding it, yeah, by all means, boo-boo. Get that paper. Maybe put your stop like up here. Yeah. But, I mean, trying to get in now, like, yeah, it can work, but I don't think it's a good idea. Very risky, man. We're at the tippy top of that range, you know? you remember how long the Apex had? Dude, that was back in 2023, bro. The different world 3 years ago, man. I got it back in June of 2023. You have to understand, I traded personal cash all last year. I didn't trade any props last year. Traded all personal cash and nobody cared. Literally nobody cared. So we're trading props this year. I feel like an idiot for having the thesis it was going to push like this, but getting out of the trade early. I mean, I think that's just kind of like, as a trader, your mind is really good at playing those tricks on you that are not necessarily true, right? You have no problem if you get out of the trade and then the trade doesn't, like, for instance, let's just say that you were long and it went up to here and you got out, and on that pullback, you got stopped out, and then the market reverses and goes straight down. Your mind has a great way of conveniently forgetting about that. But then if the same scenario happens where it pops up and then you get stopped out and then it continues to go, your mind is like, I can't believe that it just went without me. Your mind has a great way of doing that bullshit to you. So don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Get over it. Not a big deal. Because your mind will always forget about the times when it just reversed and you got out and you stopped out when you should have. I don't know if that will work, but I'll try it, Scott. Let's see. I'm happy to try it, man. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Good comms. I mean, it's dope. I just don't know if it'll look good super small. Let's see. I mean, I like it, but I don't know if it'll work. Good comms. Yeah, you can't even see what it says, man. Yeah. It doesn't work. You can't even see. It just looks like a blue smudge and a yellow smudge. I think we just need it like you see this one, like rips yes. I think it is rips yes. Oops. Wait, what is it? How do I do my own damn emojis in here? Rips yes. Like, you see how this one says yes, sir? Like, we need it like that. Just good comms. And some other cool colors, I don't know. Just an idea, man. Do whatever you want. There's gonna be a heat wave this week, too, so keep an eye on natty gas prices, right? Dude, it's 82 degrees in my office right now. What in the world? It's like, why is it a little toasty there? I don't think it was 82 toasty. Wow, this spike is wild. Wild I knew I should have went long at the daily tournament. Well, next time, dude, just do it with one micro. I'm happy to not be in this price action right now. It is what it is, man. I couldn't care less about missing this type shit. It's not a big deal, you know? It's just another trade, another day. Juice says, I was expecting a short off the open. Glad I didn't follow through. See, there's a good silver lining, I suppose, right? Fuck this squeeze. Okay. Which, like, missionary, raw dog, doggy style, from the back, sidewall? How you fucking the squeeze? What are you doing? What cars do you have? Who cares? The fuck cares what cars I have? Why in your heat map there's a different shade of blue after a certain range? It's like a Bollinger Band where the heat is light blue and beyond that it's a darker blue. You're talking about like this? Because that's algorithmic activity. That's where they're making a market. That's all that is. They're making a market to a certain extent with a certain number of contracts. That's all. Good observation. It's things like that that'll make you a better trader. 71 target. I mean, honestly, with these spreads, I don't think that's too lofty. I would just be nervous a little bit over it. Yeah, actually, no, you're fine. 79 is there. You're fine. I think you'll get hit. Get him. Let's go. Give it up for Podgecos. Get him, Podgecos. You're almost there, right? Did you get filled? You must have got filled right there, right? No, 70 quarters. Son of a bitch. I'm rooting for you, pal. And one print. There you go. Boom, filled. Nice fucking trade there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Give it up for Podgecos. Making it happen. 71 fill right there. Love it. Bing bong. I hope you had a limit order there. Or a TP or whatever the fuck. Maybe we should ask TJR. Remember, it's got to be a stop if it's on the way up and a limit on the way down. Fucking retard. 71? 90. Okay. How do you filter on when to enter into a trade and when not? Like for now, I'm really struggling on trading in the wrong market. It's just time and experience, man. I mean, look, I was saying I'm not going to go long here. There's somebody watching that's like, this fucking guy sucks. What a retard. It's up 52 points. Like, but I have no problem waiting, dude. Right? I have no problem like not trading my Percy for like a whole day or 2 days or 3 days. I have no problem, man. I have enough belief in my own ability that I can be patient, right? And I know what the results of what patience looks like, right? This is me being patient in my Lucid account. This is what patience looks like in my Lucid account. All right, that's patience. Just waiting for good setups. That's patience. That's what that looks like. I didn't trade on Friday because the Sphere. I was coming over from the Sphere. I didn't trade anything on Friday. But this is what patience looks like, right? That's patience, baby. Patience. Patience. That's all it takes, patience. There's a lot of value in patience that newer traders, and when I'm saying newer, I'm saying 5 years or less, you don't really put that emphasis into trading. It's like, patience is a lot of it. Like, look, there's a lot of people too that were like, okay, fuck it, I can't take this anymore. It's going up. I long, and I put my stop right there, and then badoosh, you get smacked, and now it's going right back up. And then you're sitting there, and you're like, fuck, now I'm on tilt. You know what I mean? You do it enough times, and you do that kind of shit enough times, you're like, well, you learn eventually. I don't know. I lost so much money, bro. I lost so much money in my first 3 years of trading. Most of it was in the first 2 years, but I lost a shit ton of money, man. Where it's like you learn by all the dumb shit you do, and you're like, well, that didn't work. That's it. What news source do you use to understand the macroeconomic events, or how do you understand the general flow of the broader market? Experience, time and experience. You got to pay attention. You got to read the news. You got to see what the effect is. Start paying attention to what all of these 8:30 in the morning releases are. Like, what do new home sales mean? What does jobless claims mean for the market? What is the Fed looking for? What is the Fed's role in things? What are they looking for in the FOMC? Who's a voter? Are they a hawk? Are they a dove? All of these things matter. And if you don't care to like pay attention to that shit, then don't, But like I love that stuff because it makes the market exciting for me. It's like chess. Chess is a fun game because every game is very different from the last. Unless you're practicing an opening line and you're like, okay, let's repeat the same 7 moves or whatever. Keeps things fresh and exciting, right? But it's like, there's nothing where it's like, I mean, I'm sure there's probably like, you could talk to Chat GPT and be like, okay, well, what's important about this week's FOMC? And then how does it relate to the market? And they keep asking questions. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. You got to be into it, I guess. Wow, look at MC level, 487 quarters, 660 quarters. Wow, look at those MC levels. Just juicy. Juicy. Do you play Fisher random chess? I don't know. I play Bullet, Rapid, and Blitz. That's it. I'm not a very good player, but I like the game. Financial Juice is the #1 for news. It's funny, out of all of the subs that I have, Financial Juice I do not have because I think they are the absolute dog shittiest worst out there. I'd rather put a hot, I'd rather heat up a nail and shove it in my pee hole than ever have to use Financial Juice, personally. I'd rather get AIDS from a homeless man than ever use Financial Juice. I think Financial Juice is literal fucking garbage. They're the slowest. They're the most inaccurate. I've had things come out on BT and then they come out on Financial Juice like 13 minutes later. It's like, what the fuck are these people doing? Like, they're probably all just drunk and high in their office at Financial Juice. What's up, Scalpin' Ticks? How are you? I have a 4K OLED monitors in 5092. I've seen an improvement in Bookmap mini freezes during NQ open, moving down the resolution 4K. Yeah. I'm surprised with the 5090 you have issues. Oh, you know what? How much memory do you have? And what is the speed of it? Like, I have 6400 mega transfer, 96 gigs DDR5. I'm curious what, and also your hard drive matters. I got like a crazy Corsair solid state as my main drive. 64 gigs, you might need more. And by the way, you can't see it on my screen, but there's a setting to dedicate more RAM to Bookmap. That's what I'd be doing. Dude, listen, Bookmap is one of the worst poorly coded pieces of software out there. Let's be honest, right? It is terribly coded, but it's, in my opinion, the best heat map out there. But they're coding on it. Like, I wish they would just start from scratch and just, it would be so much better if they could just start from scratch. Because, like, look at that. Like that, look at that hesitation. It's silly. With my computer, with your computer, it's like, you know, it should be so much faster. It should be instantaneous. Like, I get it. Like, guys are like, what is he complaining about? It's not that big of a deal. It is a big deal when you got hundreds of thousands of dollars on the line and the fucking thing freezes. You know? Yeah, no, I agree. It's because it's written in fucking Java. Imagine if they coded this efficiently. I would never build this in Java if it was up to me. CPP all the way, baby. Deep DOM coming out in the next month. For what? What the fuck is Deep DOM? Yeah, imagine if this was coded in CPP. With some real man. What's BT? Boner trees. It's the type of trees, it's like a eucalyptus tree, but it grows boners on it. Deep DOM is the heat map part of deep charts. Everybody talks about deep charts. I gotta look into this. Let me Google deep charts. How's the heat map in, I mean, I see they got footprint charts. Do they have a heat map? They do. Huh. Maybe I tried deep charts. Is it better than Bookmap? What do they use for their data source? It doesn't have it yet? Wait, it doesn't have heat map? It doesn't have heat map? You're shitting me. It doesn't have a heat map? Dude, I don't know. It would be so hard for me to look at something that's not Bookmap. Like, my brain would freak the fuck out. It's only TPO. Yeah, no, I ain't gonna use that. What's the point? I mean, I just need them to come out with a version of Bookmap that's not coded in Java, I guess. I don't know, man. I don't know what I want. Elon recently said that we're getting to the point where we can just ask AI to code us anything we want in binary script. That'd be crazy. Writing Bookmap in binary script wouldn't be very efficient. Write it in Cobalt. There you go. Get that shit in Cobalt, dog. That's what we need. Bookmap coded in Cobalt. Who's with me? No heat map. Deep chart is crap. They adopt beluga liquidity from trading. Interesting. Yeah, no, I believe you about Deep Chart. I mean, it's fine. Bookmap is fine. Oh, again, talking about the situation where I'm like, I'm not going to long this. Like, imagine. You know, somebody took that long up there and just got cracked on. Where I've also seen improvement is recording the data from previous hours. I use the DX feed history, so I have all of the history. All right, if I scroll back, I got all of the history. Yeah, it's all good. I got as much history as I need. Like, dude, I have mine pretty optimized. Look at this. Like, that's pretty freaking optimized. It's pretty, like, I mean, that's pretty fast, dude. It's under a half second to load whatever I need. It's just sometimes, like, if I'm deep in here like this and like there's a huge spike, I will get like maybe 200 to 400 milliseconds of lag, and that can be, it just kind of slows down the flow of what I'm looking to read. It's not a big deal. Have they launched Deep Dom yet? No, not that I'm aware of. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right. We're back. Anybody got any trading related questions? Not really doing much. Just kind of meh. Just kind of wiggling around here. You know? I was debating on whether or not we should spin tonight. What do you guys think? Should we spin? Do a quick little bonus hunt on stake? TPTs? I don't have them. Brother, you ask me all the time. I don't have them. You do any trading in the crypto market? I have 2 of the Tradeify crypto accounts, but I haven't traded them. I put on a single trade because they had an inactivity warning. So I put on a trade and I think they broke it. I don't even know how to use it, bro. But no, I used to trade in crypto markets. No longer. I thought you were getting it back. Brother, you've been, P to the 9, you've been in this stream for a long time, right? We've had this conversation before. How you decide to become a trader and you come in market with capital or you started from zero? I started back in 2012, right? 2014. Let me see. Tell you the exact date. September 23rd, 2014 is when I got approved for options trading. So it's probably a week before that I got my account. But yeah, I blew a bunch of money. Got smoked. Well, update up 63.5K for the month now. Gonna head out and cook some dinner. Nice work, brother. Who's your broker? Which brokerage are you trading on? Got a question. Let's just say we all know the market is in a recession, yet at MO, market open, we short squeeze hard. Do you view it as buyers back in the market or just shorts covering? Well, I mean, if you're talking about what we saw today, we have contract roll and FOMC, so it's a very unique situation, right? This is not... If you're trying to look at what happened here and you're trying to relate it to the macro environment, I think you're running a fool's errand. That's just my take on it, right? I think if you're looking at this to find clues of what's the macro environment telling you about price action, where the market should or should not be going, I think that's a fool's errand because it's roll week and FOMC on Wednesday. That's what it's more indicative of. I don't get how you call it a short squeeze, but all if shorts are covering. I don't get how you call it a short squeeze. All if shorts are covering. Huh? Come again? What? I don't get it. What? Ask. I don't get how you call it a short squeeze, but if all shorts are covering. Ask. I don't get it. Try a full sentence. Not the piecemeal shit. That just gets very frustrating. Market makers are likely going to let options expire before sending it lower, but that's just my 2 cents. Maybe, who knows? Who the fuck knows? Question was related to a hypothetical market, not the current market conditions. So, I mean, hypotheticals, man. Believe whatever you want. I'll give you a hypothetical answer. Yes, but no, but also yes, but only on Thursdays. There's your hypothetical answer for your hypothetical question. You mentioned MC levels. What are they? It's called MC stands for monkey. Sorry, I got something in my throat there. MC stands for monkey chunks. It's a level that's related from Zimbabwe for the banana market. So we just use MC levels. It's MC is short for monkey chunks. It's a frozen banana market thing. I'll talk about it on Monday. I don't understand how you call it a short squeeze, but ask if shorts are covering. That's not even a question for me. Now that makes more sense because you replied to the person. I get it. If the banana's husk is brown, we go short. I thought we were going long for brown husks. Personally. Is that like a wet market? Yes. We had a Financial Times interview get leaked, it looks like. He said he's telling NATO to help us in Iran. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know about that. Permabull America, fucking pussy. There you go. We give bananas to monkeys and they pick the levels by throwing shit on the screen. You're not wrong. It's pretty damn close to how the whole thing works. Sahil says just past 5 TPTs, got a flip 3 days now. Let's go, baby. Yes, indeed. I don't know. I was thinking about spinning tonight, but then I'm like, I could just do it tomorrow. Just spin stake tomorrow. Take 1 day off stake. You know. What's up, Corgo? How are you, buddy? Yeah, I don't really feel like spinning slots right now. I don't really feel like gambling. I just kind of want to chill. What's up, stranger? When is Ribs coming back? Oh, because I shaved? Is that what that is? Yo, Coach Jay's here. I didn't even see that. What's poppin', man? How are you? I missed you, pal. Get back out to Vegas. I was telling chat the other day, you're a cool dude, man. You're fun to hang out with. I don't say that about a lot of people. Most people I don't really care for. I shouldn't say that, but it's true. Most people I just don't really care for, but you and Dakota are cool. Don't mind hanging out with you guys. You guys are fun. I had a great time, actually. Throwing dice was so fun. But yeah, you're cool as fuck, man. It's not easy. There's a lot of dorks and doofuses out there. You're not one of them. I like you, man. You're cool as shit. That was fun, dude. The craps game was fun. Those people at the end of the table, see, those guys were doofuses at the other opposite end of the table. They're having a bad time. They're all betting against us. Little did they know, me and Coach Jay had a hot hand in the dice game. I rolled for like 15 minutes. Jay rolled for like 15 minutes. Or eating good that night. I wasn't even betting that much. It was like, fuck, I don't know, like, I think I was betting 50 or 100. It wasn't even that much. It was like very small, and I think I ran up like $700 in less than an hour, which is good in craps if you're playing very conservative. It was fun. Yeah, easiest game in the world. Don't be those miserable guys at the opposite end of the table. Bet that don't come line. That's what they were doing. They're getting smoked. They were getting smoked, man. Jay must not be retarded. No, he is not. He's not at all. That's probably why I like him. No, not at all. He's a good dude. Good price for point prediction right now. Let us gamble. I mean, there's really not much happening. It's very sideways right now. I'm waiting for the bottom of the hour. All right, tell you what. I'll give you one gamble for the bottom of the hour, then I'm probably done here. Let's see. NQ, above or below. And I'm going to specify because people are going to fucking... NQ, what is it? The H. Above or below. Let's see. Time is at 7:36. Okay, you get 1 minute for the prediction. Go nuts. We're back to where you covered. Stop. You're not supposed to know that. How do you guys even see that shit? You guys are annoying. I guess you can see it. I'm not gonna zoom in here. I'm zooming out. Hiding my shit. Fuck out of here. Yeah, it didn't crack 430s at all. It was fucking annoying. Stupid idiots. Just fucking sell 430, you pussies. It's so annoying. I hate when they do that shit. It's so fucking annoying. They should have cracked 430s. It was really annoying, dude. They just kept trying and trying. It's just like, all right, fine, fuck you. You don't want to do it? I'm out of here. Annoying as shit. You laid on a lot heavier than other GLOBEX traders. It was obvious where you're in and out. Yeah, I mean, sometimes we put on size, sometimes we don't. Of course, it's going to break, no problem now. I don't care. I couldn't care less. It's fine. Gold sinking. Let's see. Yes, holy shit. Yeah, see, that's the trade. God damn. Man, that's the fucking trade. Dude, that's big volume, too. What the fuck? What? Who hurt gold? Jesus Christ, that's massive volume, dude. What the fuck? Who hurt gold? That's crazy. Jesus. Fuck. That's the trade right there, is gold, man. God damn. I hate when it goes without us. So annoying. That was a real nice break. Below the current year mid, too. Percy time now, dude. I'm tired. Nope. Well, it's bouncing right now. Let's go back and see if it's gonna break 430. Nope, it's not. Fucking stupid ass NQ market. Retards. So stupid. I don't know what we expect when it's sideways like this. Trump is talking? I do not see that. All I see is there was a leaked Financial Times article with Trump. That's it. I haven't heard him speaking. Alexander sold 55.20 on gold? Wait, what? 55.20? How? Huh? The fuck did you sell 55.20? What year are you from? Wish I could have sold 55.20. Be very happy. I'm guessing you mean 50.20. 5,500? 5,500? I'd love to sell 5,500 too. Shit. Oil's back under 100? No way. Holy shit, it is. Back to double digits. That's crazy. Huh. Lots of shit is moving tonight except for NASDAQ. Cyrus, focus. You're fine, man. Don't worry about it. Focus on your trades, not on some dingus YouTube chat. I'm retarded, man. Who cares? Is Trump talking? Not that I'm aware of. All I know about in relationship to Trump and what you guys are seeing is that there's a leaked Financial Times article. That's it. That's it, and that's all. All right, let's see what you guys gambled. Barely anything. See, this is why I didn't want to run a gamble. Barely anybody gambled. No degens are watching right now. Barely anybody. Is it true that Alpha Futures requires you to hold a trade for the minimum of 2 minutes? Not that I'm aware of. All these firms have hyper scalping rules to stop you from using a high frequency trading robot. So like if your normal trades are scalping, right, and you're not like abusing the spreads of the sim environment, you're fine. Just trade normally. Right? Just trade normally. If you're trading to like abuse the spreads of the sim environment, yeah, you're not going to get paid, or you should not be paid. If you're trading normal trades, you're going to be fine, man. That's all there is to it. Just trade normal trades. Pretty basic. There we go. I sound like Matthew McConaughey in The Lincoln Lawyer? What? Didn't they make a show about that? Isn't there like a Netflix show? Watch, they're gonna break 430. I don't even want to watch this. No prop is going to make you hold the trade for 2 minutes. Yeah, it's just not realistic, man. All the rules that are in props are to stop bad actors. If you are not a bad actor, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. All right. Fuck you, 430. Eat a dick. I hate you. God, I wish I was not live right now. Fucking stupid ass level. I've never seen True Detective before. My wife has watched it. I've never seen it. I wouldn't even want to be in this market right now. This is stupid. This is just sideways nonsense. Look at the volume too, guys. I mean, you can't see it because of my screen, but like this volume is dog shit. And I hide the, yeah, look at the volume. Look at this shit. Just nothing. Dog shit. Nonsense. True Detective is peak TV. I've never seen it before. My wife has. I'm pretty sure. It's like Matthew McConaughey is somebody else in it. I don't even know what network is on. I know they have it on Netflix. I think they do. Bearish TBH until we break back over 496. I don't blame you. It does look pretty bearish to me, but like I'm not trusting this shit. They could pop this up very easily. By they, I just mean participants in the market. I don't mean like some fucking shadowy cabal that's moving the market. 430's not cracking until I'm out of my short. I tapped out a long time ago. I said, this is a fucking waste of my time. This is stupid. Tap the fuck out. Where's your beard? I left it at home. I'll see if I can find some more of it tomorrow. I grow facial hair very quickly, but my wife likes me clean shaven right now, so I don't know. We're in between. People were very nasty to me on Instagram. Posted a picture of me driving, and people were like, you look fucking terrible. I was like, ah, nice, thanks. Happy Sunday to you too. I appreciate that. People seem to forget that I'm an actual human being or something. Literally 2-3 people were like, you look terrible. I was like, thanks, that's awesome. And I stopped reading DMs for the day. I was like, all right, well, that's good enough. Appreciate it. I'm used to it though. People are very nasty online. If you're a trading influencer, doesn't matter if you're honest or not, doesn't matter if you're a good trader or not, people are just fucking angry in the trading space. Doesn't matter. Got my first payout on Apex. Let's go, John. Let's go. Get up for John. New accounts or legacy accounts? I wonder what those people look like. I don't know. I don't care. I just thought it was fucking weird. Like, bro, I'm not kidding. I saw, like, I woke up going through my shit. 2 people commented, and I was like, all right, well, that's enough Instagram DMs for me today. You look terrible. It was so, what is it? You look terrible. And then the other person said, what was it? Like, why did you do that? That's what they said. They said, why did you do that? With a crying face. I'm like, okay. Why did you do that? Okay, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Fucking crazy. Why did you do that, crying face? Oh, God. Oh, you see on the big game on Terror, they keep producing. Dude, that production quality in that, I will be on that. I'm 100%. I'm going to talk to the right people to see if I can get on that. That's a game I definitely want to be on. More immediately, though, I will be on Hustler Casino Live soon. Very, very soon. I'm working on some type of content for that, so stay tuned for that. NQ will not break these 430s. I'm telling you, man, it's the devil of a number right now. True Detective is Woody Harrelson. He's in that? Yeah, maybe I'll watch it. I don't know. We started watching the documentary about Rupert Murdoch, which was good. And we watched the Manosphere documentary. Started watching that. Or we finished that, rather, right before I went live. Traded right next to Larry Flynn at the Hustler in 2003. Nice. There you go. I was certainly not trading in 2003, Mike. Not me. Came into the scene about 11 years after that. Is there a prop firm without buffer requirement on the sim funded phase? Let me think. It would be very difficult if there was a prop firm that had that if they were going to remain solvent. So I think the answer to that question is going to be a resounding no, because I think that if a prop firm had that, now, okay, Tradeify funded account, the one that I blew in a single day, that account you can take immediate payouts from whatever there's no buffer on those. I think you can make like $5 and withdraw it if you want. Those are the Tradeify live accounts. I'm sure at other live accounts it's similar, but that one you don't need a minimum number of trading days. You can trade for fucking 10 minutes and take a withdrawal if you want of your profits. I'm pretty sure. But like if you're talking about like sim funded, I can't imagine that there's a sim funded account that they allow you to like withdraw without a buffer, because that like how like that seems very easy to exploit or something. You know what I mean? Lucid Flex has 5 trading days and no minimum payout, but no buffer requirement. Yeah. But like, yeah, it's the same thing though. There's something in the way of people. I think what they're asking for is like, oh, I want to get on a funded account and then make like $100 and immediately withdraw the full 100. Doesn't exist. Sefx says, where did the beard go? No. See? Nice people. Just finished the Murdoch documentary before the market. What'd you think? Is it worth me watching? Because we're like 10 minutes into it. Is it worth it? It's like 6 episodes or something. I love Succession. It's one of my favorite shows of all time. Is it worth watching? Does it get good? Listen, I see it's below 430. I don't care. I'm very disappointed. It's annoying, dude. It's annoying. Could have just held. It's annoying. So considering sim funded, I always needs a buffer. What's the best sim funded phase payouts? I just want the fastest, biggest max payouts. TPT. TPT is what you're looking for. TPT code RIPS. 40% off, no activation fee. Bang. Solved your problem. The only issue that you're going to run into is TPT in the funded accounts, the pro accounts. There is a trailing drawdown, and for a lot of people, that is a deal breaker. So know that going into it. But TPT, you can literally withdraw day one. But there's a trailing drawdown, and that trailing drawdown is also your buffer that you have to get out of. That's what you're looking for, though, right? No way I would want to hold with all that chop. Dude, I did not. I'm not going to, like, everybody apparently saw where I exited, so you saw where I got out. I don't care. Is what it is. I don't like intraday trailing drawdown. A lot of people don't, and that's fine. Thankfully, there's a lot of different flavors of ice cream out there, you know? Lucid has no intraday trailing drawdown. Apex has no more intraday trailing drawdown. Tradeify has no intraday trailing drawdown. TPT does, but man, I tell you, there's nothing like that feeling of getting out of that drawdown and it's like, wow, this is my money now. It is at 80%, right? Let's be straight. It's 80%. But still, I mean, dude, it's just a number. 80% is better than 0%. You know? I love Lucid. You guys see how well I'm doing on my Lucid accounts. I personally love Lucid, right? I'm going for my 4th payout. You see how slow I'm taking it, though. You see that? Like $768 for a lot of people. They're like, why are you still trading it? Brother, that might be the only trade I take for the entire Monday session, especially since it's roll week. Maybe I make more money. I don't know. I need to make another $1,500 to take payout number 3 on these accounts, payout number 4 in total on Lucid. I love Lucid, and they pay out within a minute and 10 seconds was our last payout. Hell, if we get to payout number 4, then I'll do another live payout live on stream, either on the morning stream or on the GLOBEX stream. Lowman says, passing trailing drawdown is about not letting your positions go back and honestly play a little hard in volume, in my opinion, so you can pass fast. I mean, me personally, I got out of the trailing drawdown because I trade the 50K accounts just by trading micros and being scalpy. And not really like thinking about it and just like trading trades and being like, oh, cool, now I'm out of it. And then just trading more trades. You have to understand, I ran those bad doggers up to $11,000 in profit in each one before I had the trade evade issue. And I never got those accounts back. Obviously, you guys know I'm very transparent about that. But that was not TPT's fault. That was Trade Evade's fault. Trade Evade didn't do anything about it. So, hey, welcome to the world of being an electronic trader. Is what it is. We'll try the new Apex EOD drawdown accounts as well. Yeah, I have 20 of them right now. I just have not traded them. So. All right, who wins here? Aboves or belows? Oh shit, did the belows win? Holy shit. Yeah, now it's rolling. Fuck you. Hate this. 25. Oh my god. Is that for real? 25 3/4. The aboves won by 3/4. Oh my god. You guys are so fucking lucky, dude. You above bettors are so lucky. Wow. TPT is which one? Yeah, take profit. This one. Look, just click this link. How's my thing not working, Ripsmon? There it is. Okay, see what Nightbot said? Take Profit Trader 40% off. Code RIPS. Click that. Bang. There you go. Team uploaded a YouTube video where you're speaking about me not trading when you're having a bad day. I really appreciated that you showed it in socials. Nice, man. My team's been killing it, bro. We have so much content. Dude, that was the other thing. I just stopped looking at comments today. Dude, somebody posted, they're like, on one of my YouTube videos, they're like, oh man, this is from like March 3rd. I'm like, do you think like when you're in the movie theater watching Iron Man that is live? Like, is that, you think like that you're watching a live production? Like, you know, editing takes time, right? Like I could, like, dude, somebody's like, this is from March 3rd. I'm like, okay. Like, did you, when you were watching Friends, when you watched the show Friends, do you think like that's a live action? Like they're actually at Central Perk at that moment in time? Like what? I couldn't believe it. I was like, that's enough internet comments for me today. It's so ridiculous. I couldn't believe it. This is from March 3rd. Like, and like, what do you want, dog? We have a lot of content that's been being produced, and it's great. I think it's fantastic for the channel. In fact, we're up to almost 80,000 subs on YouTube. Let's go. Thank you for everybody who's been subbing. We have right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 long form videos that are in the pipeline right now. Hell yeah, brother. We might start doing 2 long form contents per day. We're releasing 4 shorts per day. It's insane. Like, we're crushing it right now in the content game. I don't think we'll have any good content from today's episode, unfortunately. I'm trying, but yeah, really nothing to talk about, you know? Just trying to keep it real with you guys. What's up, Chandi? How are you, pal? 80K sub series growth. Shout out to your content. It's all them, man. It's really, they've been busting their ass, and we've been growing the content team, been having some meetings with some other folks. I'm trying to, like, the content that I have coming up with for Q2 is going to be sick. I think that you guys are really going to enjoy it. And that's all I'm thinking about is like, I just want to make good content for you guys. Like, there's a lot of stale, boring shit out there. I want to make great content for you guys. It's not only educational and helps you in your trading, but you can have a little bit of fun watching. That's it. That's the goal. Seems like you were chasing the dragon with new content. What do you mean? Chasing the dragon with new content? Huh? How is there always somebody negative about that shit? What do you mean chasing the dragon? What you mean by that, dog? It's like this guy's like friend like gets a promotion at work. Hey man, we're going out to the bar to celebrate my promotion. Your promotion? Seems like you're overworking yourself, man. I don't know. Count me out. I'm not in on that shit. You guys go have fun. Fuck you. Chasing the dragon on the corporate ladder. You know who never misses a promotion dinner? I do. I know, Johnny. When are you coming back out to Vegas, man? I miss you. Get you and Jason to come out here. Let's try round 2, man. Jared says, I've watched pretty much all the pitch and catch videos this week and want to get more insight to it. They're good, quick videos, especially for my ADD. Nice. So that's good. Right on. Fuck knows what he meant, but chasing the dragon is usually drug out. Yeah, dude, there you go. Maybe he's dude, look at this. By the way, fucking 430 players got fucking cooked if you held that. What the fuck? Brother, what? They're just, dude, they waited that long. Dude, imagine, bro. You've been holding a short from like here, and now you're already back here. Oh, God. Like your target was somewhere here, maybe. I mean, technically speaking, that was a nice reversal right there off data, or not data, opening print highs. That was a really nice reversal, all things considered. I was short, took the bottom tick out, and then it fucking ripped. Well, that's good. At least you got out. That's very nice. I like that. I was in nothing. I've traded none of this. Like, I've been long gone. I have not had a trade on in at least 30 minutes, I think. About 30 minutes. Yeah, it was a Ripsy reversal that didn't exist. I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow, by the way. I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow on my stream. If we had like 1,000 people tuning in tonight, I would have done one tonight, but I get it. It's Sunday GLOBEX. We get more viewers on during the week when we're chasing that dragon. Just chasing that shit. 414.5 to 442. Nice. Let's go, Alexander. My man. Hey, Rips, at times I trade the NQ on the 10-second via Tradeovate to simulate Bookmap. No, that's great. Actually, no, I think that's a fine thing to do. Don't let people time shame you. Don't let people time frame shame you. Like, dude, I get, like, obviously people talk shit on all of my content, especially when you're putting out as much content as I am when you're chasing the dragon. People talk shit on my content all the time. I'm not joking. People will literally be like, is that on the 1 minute? I can't believe this guy trades on the 1 minute. Don't let people time frame shame you, right? It's ridiculous. It's so silly. Like, if what works for you on the 10-second time frame, or even if you're trading on a 10-tick chart or a 100-tick, like, who cares, man? If it works for you, it works for you. Fantastic. Lean into it and just do it, right? Who cares? Oh, this guy trades on the 1 minute. He's shit. Who cares? Who cares? You know? Who cares? Do what works for you. If you trade ICT and it works great for you, trade more of it. If you trade SMT or what the fuck else, or what is it? Smart money, SMC, if you trade that, you make money, do more of it. If you trade on moon phase cycles and it's working for you, do more of it. Do more of it, man. Stop listening to fucking retards on the internet, especially me. Like, if you're like, I hate the way he trades, me, don't trade like me. Trade like you. Do what works for you. Glad to give you a laugh. I didn't mean it negatively. I just don't care to see the same content as all the other prop streamers. Well, I think I differentiate myself from other prop streamers because I bring 12 years of real cash trading experience. Other prop streamers, like if you look at, there's another popular streamer in the space. They traded paper money all during COVID and pretended it was real and lied to their audience the entire time. You have one of the most popular streamers in the space right now who was exposed today on an IMEN video who doesn't even trade a real account and lies to his community about that. So I think I differentiate myself from the other prop streamers. I don't even consider myself a prop streamer, especially last year. Last year I was anything but a prop streamer. You know, I was a cash account trader. Nobody gave a shit. Only dragon chasing I've ever done landed me in jail or 6 is fine. Yeah. I mean, look, I keep it real with you. I tell you, hey, I blew this account. I traded this well. I lost this account. I don't like this profit. I keep it as real with you as I possibly can. I don't ever, there's no information that I'm not telling you, right? If I'm in a, like, where are your TPT accounts? Oh, they're here. This is what happened to them. Where's this account? Oh, this is what happened. Why aren't you on Tradeify? Well, I was on probation. I blew my live account. Like, I tell you guys everything. I'm happy to tell you everything. I want to be as real as possible with you guys because then it's like, okay, you can relate to it. Like, you know my Lucid account. I've been doing well with this thing. I'm stoked on it. You know? I'm happy to talk about it. I don't want you guys to have unrealistic expectations where it's like, oh man, like I don't want to be off in the trenches, like on a side screen trading Apex accounts, like blowing through 1 trillion Apex accounts, and then all of a sudden I'm like, oh boom, aha, max payout, and people are like, huh, what, how? I want you to be there every step of the way, baby. That's what we're gonna try to do this week. Well, it's roll week. I'll probably be pretty light on it, but yeah, it's more fun that way. Don't like? I personally would want to be like, the whole riding shotgun thing is cool, right? If I lose, you're going to see it. If I win, you're going to see it. We're all going to have fun, you know? That's fun, in my opinion. Fastest payouts in the game, less than 5 minutes from request to approve to account. Boom. I'm going to just assume that you're talking about Lucid. That's what I'm going to assume. Jay Knoll says, I'm not trading tomorrow with the roll. You could see the roll volume last week too. Yeah, it might be a good idea. Like, to be honest with you, I'm probably not going to touch my Lucid accounts tomorrow because I want to lock in a green day. It is roll week. That was a nice little trade that we had. You know, I mean, I could have flipped it long and I would have made a shit ton. But yeah. Me personally, I just, you know, I'm super ultra mega big chilling over here. You know, I don't care to, I'm not the guy. If you want to watch a streamer who's like always in a trade, I'm not your guy, right? And that's just from my real world experience. Like, I didn't start as a prop firm trader, so maybe that's what differentiates me a little bit, right? So like, I'm a real money trader. So like the way that I, especially this year with trading the prop firm stuff, I want to trade it how I trade real money. Cause like, this is real money to me. Like, if I take a $9,000 payout, that's real money. You can buy some cool shit with $9,000, you know? FOMC and rollover week. This is a good week to practice patience and also not trading some days. I agree with you 100%. Conrad says, Rips, I felt like absolute shit looking back on 32 months of brutal trading while watching 20-year-olds online supposedly making millions. Thank you for exposing that nonsense. It helps more than you know. That's the other thing is like, take everything you see online for a grain of salt. I got fooled too. You know, I thought the homeboy who was just recently trading silver in Apex was like real deal shit. Cause like I've been doing it in my cash account and I'm like, oh shit, that's sick. Somebody's doing it big time in props. And then we find out like that wasn't the case. I felt pretty slighted by that myself, you know? I give people a lot of credit. Now I'm like, all right, I'm not going to give anybody credit because I got to just be like, I'm just going to assume these are all chuckle fuck retards. You know, at the end of the day, I know what I do, you know? Wow, live money, offline blown, classic DJ. He doesn't trade anything, man. He trades a fake fucking Hero FX or whatever the fuck, some offshore brokerage bullshit that's not real. It's paper, man. He ain't taking any withdrawals. Imagine, dude. We don't need to. I got better things to do than talk shit on a stream. I'll tell you. You guys can figure it out, you know? It ain't that hard to figure out. It's nonsense. Not even worth talking about. What is the best PC for trading? In my opinion, Origin PC. It's the reason why I think they're the best custom built PCs. You can pick you can build your own, which will take a little bit longer, or you can have like a pre-built from 3 different types, like a medium or small, medium, or large. Like as far as like speed goes, like decent, more decent, super fast. But the thing is that I trust them the most because they're a publicly traded company. Corsair owns them. Corsair owns Elgato. Corsair owns Origin PC, and it's CRSR. It's a publicly traded stock. So imagine a PC builder that's owned by a publicly traded company. That's got my vote. And I ordered this Origin PC February of 2025, traded all last year on it. I think we had like 2 crashes all year, and I trusted my real money on it. So, did you request your payout Friday? I don't think it was on Friday, man. Here, let me show you. Let's look together, shall we? I requested it whenever we did it live here on stream. All right, let's see. Let's look together in real time, and we'll be surprised at the same time here. So, let's see. Account summary. Where's the payouts? Payouts. My last payout was March 9th. So March 9th was last Sunday, Monday. So it was a week ago. A week ago is when we last requested. There you have it. And this is what it's looked like since. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. So 636. So 636, 880, 1259, and then 768 today. So there we go. That's it. That's where we're sitting in our Lucid accounts. So I got to make, it says 2907 for my current profit. 2907. So I got to make 4,500 for my payouts. So 4,500 minus 2907, 1,593. So I got to make $1,600 more dollars. I can do that in like 2 days at 800, something like that. Maybe 2 more days at 800, which I may not even do this week, right? I may not even do this week, but we'll see. I'm in no rush, man. No rush. I want to get my money, you know? I want to get paid. If I rush, I could get out of pocket, and I don't want to do that. Ribs, thanks for a consistently great stream. Tons of useful info. You're looking healthy and energetic, and love the reminders to not degenerate gamble, but keep it in pro. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. I'm just trying my best with what I have. I try to keep it real with you guys. New to Lucid, is Flex better than the Pro? If it was up to me, so I'm in the Lucid Black accounts that are now deprecated. I think the Lucid Black accounts are the most close to Lucid Pro accounts. So I think I'd personally pick the Pro accounts. Just go through the rules and see what works best for you and your budget. There's no activation fee. There's no monthly fee. So keep that in mind. Whatever you pay is what you're going to pay for one time. And always use code RIPS, baby. Always. Up 350 across 5 accounts for the evening. I think I'm feeling fine. Might lock up. There you go. See, that's the idea right there. That's how it should be, baby. That's all you need to do. It's okay to lock up. It's okay to not take trades, you know? When you're in the funded stage like I am with Lucid, there's no heat on you, by the way, right? If you want to trade, trade. If you don't want to trade, don't trade. There shouldn't be like this little gremlin that's like, hey, man, why aren't you in a trade right now? Don't think like that. That's the type of thinking that gets you in trouble. You don't need to be always in a trade. If the market doesn't look like a good setup to you, why bother trading it, especially if you got real money on the line? You're gonna make the most money in trading when you are feeling the most comfortable and the most confident. How do you get to a level of comfort and confidence? Trade the market when it's screaming for you to trade it. And don't get all up in your own ass about if you miss a trade. You miss a trade, you move on, right? Did I miss a trade today? Dude, I literally closed my short, right? I closed my short down here. I could have flipped it long and made a bunch of money even on one contract. I didn't do it. Same thing, like, oh, what if I went short in my Lucid account there and went, you know? But I didn't, and that's okay. That's life. If you can have that kind of nonchalant attitude with your trading, but also feel comfortable about the trades that you do involve yourself in, I think that's like the prime spot to be in with your trading. That's the prime spot to be in, where it's like, I'm comfortable, I'm controlled, I'm patient, and I'm taking the trades that I want to trade. Not all of your trades are going to be winners, but if you have a stop, you should feel good about taking your trade. Oh, shoot, I got stopped out. As long as you don't get stopped out and immediately rush in because you got emotional about being stopped out, right? That's the other thing. If you get stopped out and you start to get emotional because you get stopped out, then you rush back into a trade, that's a problem, right? That's a huge problem for a lot of traders out there. Don't do that. When you stop out, I say this on one of my shorts, the answer should be, well, I expected that. And I know it's a crazy thing to think because you're a loser in the trade. Or maybe you're not. Maybe you stopped out for a little bit of profit. But like, you know, just chill. Just chill. Low Man says, I got to be honest about my experience with Lucid. Trade C built in copy trader did not execute a trade in one account. All the trades were taken in the opposite. Wait, what? Huh? I've never seen that happen. What was the market super volatile at the time? Now you're making me check. Dude, mine are all the exact same right now. Like the exact same. So I'm sorry that happened, but I do not share the same experience. Sorry to hear that, man. Copy trading 2 accounts and 1 trade was not actually. That's crazy weird. I have not had a single copy trading issue on Lucid yet. So, guys smoked in Lucid. That's crazy. It must have been crazy volatile or something, or a rhythmic lag or something. What do we have coming up? Is some JGB bond shit? Let me see. I don't know. We'll see. One traded, the rest didn't. And you had everything accurately set up. Like, I don't even remember. Dude, it's funny. I don't even remember how to set up copy trading. It's like I've set these up so long ago. It was weeks ago that I set up copy trading. I haven't touched a single thing since. I have a 20-minute lock after a loss. Yeah, that's nice. I love that, man. Very nice. Spread looks better now? It might. I mean, we're coming into the 8 p.m. hour, which is usually when we get better. Yeah, it does look better. You're right. I don't really care to trade it, though, personally. 2.5 minutes till the top of the hour, and then I'm probably going to get out of here. What happened in Top Step is Lucid the best in the market. I have not traded on Top Step in a hot minute. I traded on Top Step for about 2 years straight, or however long it was that I was with Top Step. I just haven't traded on them since then. What'd you miss? I mean, we made some money long ass time ago, and that was it. Market's rolling a little bit here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the top of the hour. 2 minutes. Whoops. Microphone was in the way. Just backed into that thing. Did you ever trade on Top Step TV? Nope. I've never even been on the show. I've heard about it, but no, I've never been on Top Step TV before. What are y'all laughing at? I don't know. Did somebody make a joke or something? They believe you. Yeah, they might. Do you like enchiladas? Yes. The red sauce, not the green sauce. The green sauce, there's something wrong with you. Enchiladas rojos. Or is it rojas? Enchiladas rojas. Verde or viernes? No bueno. You gotta have rojas. Both are great. You sound like a terrorist. Get out of here. Raspberry Trace says I like both. Also a terrorist. Get out of here. You guys work for Al Qaeda or something? Get out of here. Jesus. Unbelievable. This is just terrible. Nah, green you got to be in the right mood for. Red is like every day. Every day you're fine. I don't know. Sequay? Yeah, see, you said it with a G. Nice. Somebody was telling me Sequay is with a ways with a Q. All right, there's your 8 p.m. hour. Let's see. Yeah, see, if it did something crazy here, like went to Slamtown, I'd be into it, but yeah, nah. All right, I'll be back tomorrow, guys and gals. I'll be back tomorrow, 8 o'clock Eastern time. We're locking up here. We made just under 4K in our Lucid funded accounts. Take that to the bank, baby. We got to make another $4,500 and then we can get paid. Or no, what is it? $6,400? $6,400 for us to get paid. Or no, is it more? $8,000. Why can't I math right now? 1,600 times 5. That's $8,000. Yeah, $8,000. Anyway. Which seems like a lot. Oh, yeah, because they want you to make 22.5. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. All right, everybody. Y'all be good. I'll see you back here at 6 o'clock in the morning. Live on Kick, live on YouTube. And we'll spin some slots tomorrow. I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm tired. I'll see you folks tomorrow. Be good. Take care. Stay safe. I don't trust this long. I don't trust this squeeze. Not my thing. Not into it. Take care, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.